Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation, we will have discussion on the topic Type qualifiers in C programming language. Type qualifiers provide additional characteristics for variables. Example, const, volatile, restrict, etc. Type qualifiers provide additional information about the type of the variable, do not affect the storage class or lifetime, but modify the behavior or characteristics of the variables. Let's see some of the type qualifiers supported in C. Const specifies that the value of the variable cannot be changed after initialization. It indicates read-only access. Example, const int max size assigned 100. The max size is a constant and cannot be modified inside the program. Volatile. It indicates that the value of the variable may be changed by external factors, such as by hardware or by other threads of the program. The compiler should not optimize the access to this variable. Example, volatile int sensor value. Restrict. It specifies that a pointer is the only way to access the object it points to. It is a hint to the compiler that the pointer is the sole means of accessing the data, potentially enabling optimization. Example, void function int star restrict ptra, int star restrict ptrb. ptra and ptrb are restricted pointers. Now, let's try to understand type qualifier volatile. Consider this example. X is an integer with an initial value of 1 and we are running the while loop. Inside the while loop, there is no logic to modify X. Now, if the optimization is enabled at the time of compilation, compiler will assume that the value X will never be modified and never considers updated value of X in the object code because there is no instruction in the while loop to modify the value of X. It always considers the value of X as 1. Now what if the device drivers, the interrupt service routines or other threads or process of the application modify the value of X? In such a scenario, we do not want the compiler to optimize X. Instead, we always want compiler to consider its latest value. By declaring the variable as volatile, we are instructing the compiler not to optimize X and always consider its latest value. Type qualifier const. Const int y. We can declare the variable as const if the value y never changes in the lifetime of a process. Now let's consider different forms of pointer for const and volatile qualifier. Const char star PCI is a pointer to constant character. Char const star PCI is once again a pointer to constant character. Char star const CPI is a constant pointer to a character. And const char star const CPCI is a constant pointer to a constant character. Similar is the case for volatile. Volatile char star PVI is a pointer to a volatile char. Char volatile star PVI is a pointer to a volatile char once again. Char star volatile VPI is a volatile pointer to a char. And VPVI is a volatile pointer to a volatile char. Consider this example. Here, port is a pointer to a character and is a constant volatile. When do we need such a pointer variable? It is needed in situations when variable can't be modified inside the program. It is constant inside the program, but its value could be modified by some hardware, interrupt service routine, or some other thread of the application. Now consider this example. Here is a program that incorporates all the three types of qualifiers, const, volatile, and restrict in a single program. This example simulates a simple embedded system where sensor data is read and processed. Const. Max sensor is defined as a const, meaning its value is fixed and cannot be changed throughout the program. Volatile. Sensor values is an array that represents 5 sensors used to store simulated sensor values in the program. In place of reading the data from the real sensors, the program reads simulated sensor values. Sensor value is marked as volatile because it simulates sensor data that might be updated by external hardware or other parts of the program. The compiler should not optimize any reads from this array, ensuring that it always gets the latest updated value. Restrict. The function process underscore sensor underscore data processes the sensor data by doubling each value. This function uses restrict for its pointer parameters. This tells the compiler that the output and the input point to different memory locations, allowing it to optimize their memory access. This program reads simulated sensor values, processes them by doubling each value, and then prints the processed data. It demonstrates how to use const, volatile, and restrict qualifiers in a C program. The output of this program is processed data 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Hope you liked and enjoyed the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.